Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the best Car Radio CarPlay for Ford Explorer 5. The best Car Radio CarPlay by Nevegetor is an ideal multimedia upgrade for Ford Explorer 5 models, 2011 to 2019, featuring advanced integration and numerous functionalities. The unit employs a plug-play installation system, eliminating the need for complicated wiring. It utilizes an efficient FYT/TS10 chipset, offers RAM options up to 8 GB, and storage from 32 GB to 256 GB, operating on Android 12 to ensure a seamless user interface and application support. Connectivity options include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi, 3G per 4G network support, Bluetooth with a microphone and speaker for hands-free use, and compatibility with steering wheel controls as well as CAN bus integration. It also includes built-in GPS navigation. The device features a 10-inch touchscreen display with resolution choices of 1280 by 720 or 2000 by 1200, enabling split-screen multitasking. In terms of multimedia, it supports digital media formats like CD, digital, MP3s, and integrates with mobile devices. Additional features comprise remote control, mobile device charging support, and a maximum external memory capability of 256 GB, all within a compact unit weight of 2 kg. The system is user-friendly with support for over 50 languages and includes a 2-year warranty and CE certification for quality assurance. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.